Embracing nature in design, unique architectural features for modern homes. Introduction: the intersection of nature and architecture. Welcome to Nook Up. In today's video, we're diving into the captivating world of architectural design that harmoniously blends indoor spaces with the natural environment. As we explore unique features that celebrate this connection, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Nature is not just a backdrop, it's an integral part of modern architecture, influencing the aesthetics and functionality of our living spaces. Let's embark on this journey to discover how embracing nature can transform our homes into serene sanctuaries. Biophilic design, the heart of nature-inspired architecture. Biophilic design is a fundamental concept that integrates natural elements into architecture, creating spaces that promote health and well-being. This approach focuses on maximizing natural light, incorporating plants, and using materials that evoke nature, such as wood and stone. In modern homes, large windows and open floor plans blur the boundaries between indoor and outdoor spaces. For instance, a living room that features floor-to-ceiling windows not only invites natural light but also offers breathtaking views of surrounding landscapes. Natural materials, bringing the outdoors in. Using natural materials is a powerful way to incorporate nature into home design. Wood, stone, and clay not only have aesthetic appeal but also evoke a sense of warmth and authenticity. Imagine a kitchen adorned with reclaimed wooden beams or a living room featuring a stone fireplace that echoes the ruggedness of the outdoors. These materials age beautifully and tell a story, adding character to modern homes. Additionally, sustainable materials, such as bamboo and recycled metals, contribute to eco-friendly Indoor gardens, a breath of fresh air. Indoor gardens are a remarkable way to bring nature into your home, creating a peaceful retreat right inside your living space. These green oases can range from small herb gardens in kitchens to expansive vertical gardens in living rooms. Indoor gardens not only enhance aesthetics but also improve air quality, contributing to a healthier living environment. They serve as a reminder of the beauty of nature, offering a calming effect amidst the hustle and bustle of daily life. Furthermore, incorporating plants into your design can lead to increased productivity and water features, the soothing sound of nature. Integrating water features into home design is another way to embrace nature, creating soothing auditory and visual experiences. From serene fountains to tranquil ponds, water features can transform outdoor spaces into peaceful retreats. These elements not only provide aesthetic appeal but also invite a sense of calm and relaxation. The gentle sound of flowing water can mask urban noise, creating a serene atmosphere perfect for unwinding after a long day. Additionally, strategically placed water features can enhance the landscape. Open spaces and natural flow, designing with freedom. Modern architectural design increasingly emphasizes open spaces that promote a natural flow between rooms and the outdoors. This layout encourages movement and interaction, allowing residents to enjoy their surroundings fully. Large sliding or folding doors can seamlessly connect indoor living areas with outdoor patios or gardens, creating an expansive feel. This openness not only enhances the sense of space but also encourages social interaction, making homes more inviting. By designing with open spaces in mind, architects can create an Eco-friendly features, sustainable living. As we embrace nature in design, incorporating eco-friendly features becomes paramount. Modern homes can utilize renewable energy sources, such as solar panels and geothermal heating, significantly reducing their environmental footprint. Additionally, energy-efficient appliances and smart home technologies can further enhance sustainability. Rainwater harvesting systems and greywater recycling are practical innovations that promote responsible water usage, connecting homeowners more closely with their local ecosystems. By integrating these features, we can create homes that not only respect nature. Outdoor living spaces, extending the home. Outdoor living spaces have become a hallmark of modern home design, allowing homeowners to extend their living areas into nature. Patios, decks, and outdoor kitchens create functional spaces for relaxation and entertainment, encouraging a lifestyle that embraces the outdoors. These areas can be adorned with comfortable furnishings, fire pits, and ambient lighting, creating inviting atmospheres for gatherings and family time. Landscaping plays a crucial role in this integration, providing greenery and privacy. The future of nature in architecture. As we look to the future, the integration of nature in architecture will only grow in significance. Trends toward sustainable living and wellness-focused design are shaping the way we envision our homes. Architects and designers are continually exploring innovative ways to incorporate natural elements, pushing the boundaries of what is possible. From smart biophilic designs to advanced eco-friendly materials, the future of architecture is bright and green. By prioritizing nature in design, we can create homes that not only serve our needs but also Conclusion: your home, your sanctuary. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of embracing nature in modern home design. We hope you found inspiration in the unique architectural features that celebrate the beauty of the natural world. Remember, your home can be a sanctuary that reflects your love for nature and sustainability. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Nook Up, like, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's continue this conversation about how we can create beautiful, harmonious living spaces that honor the environment around us. Together.